moped?
Back at his house. He crashed here right behind his mama's house.
I need to start there. I need to start there.
Okay. My car's over there. I'm just gonna come join you.
All right. I'm going to Mama's house to the moped to start. This son of a bitch, man. Kilo 19 is 525 of 71. Kevin Leroy White. He's wanted full X out of Florida. Fuleggy. Fuleggy. Fuleggy.
He ain't got no gun or nothing either, man.
He's getting dog bit. Off. This son of a bitch is fucking over. Kevin Leroy White, you're under arrest. Come out. You're gonna get bit by a police dog. Sukin. Stay on me, Kyle. He had to have gone right through there. Who is?
His gloves. He had gloves on.
Where are they at? Mickey. Hold up.
So, I didn't see him come out. Okay, where's your car at? Down there.
Make sure people don't come out. Get out, Kevin! Come out now! Mickey! Off! Boy! Mickey! Off! Boy! Off! Mickey! Off!
Put your hands up.
Boy! Off! Boy! Off! Off! Let me back up. Mickey. Off. Kevin, you're under arrest, partner. To A. Tell him we need 51.